Welcome to this tutorial on how to use the maintenance section of the Library Management System. User maintenance. Here, you can manage both students and employees. To add a new student, click the Add Student button. Fill out the required student information. Then click Submit. The new student is now added to the system. To edit an existing user, click the Edit button next to their name. Update the necessary details and click Submit to save the changes. To delete a user, simply click the Delete button and confirm the action. Book maintenance. This section displays the most important book details by default. Here, you can add, view, edit, and delete books. You can also generate barcodes based on your chosen category, or customize the barcode before generating it. Book categories maintenance. In this section, you can manage the different book categories. To add a new category, fill out the legend and name. Then click Submit. You can also edit or delete a category by clicking the corresponding Edit or Delete button. Privilege maintenance. This is where you manage how many books a user can borrow, depending on their user type and category. To add a new privilege, fill in the required fields. Select the user type, choose a category, and use the plus or minus buttons to set the borrowing limit. Penalty rules maintenance. In this section, you can manage the penalty rules of the library. To add a new rule, click Add Rule and fill in the required fields. Provide the type, description, rate of fine, and select whether the penalty increments daily. You can also edit or delete a rule when needed. Book circulation. Now let's move on to book circulation. Here, you can see the list of all circulation transactions made in the system. You can view and edit circulation records based on your preferences. After making changes, click Submit to save the updates. Reservation approval. In this section, librarians can review and manage book extension requests from students. Here, you can see important details such as the student name, book title, current due date, and the requested due date. Based on the request, the librarian can either approve or reject the extension, depending on library policies and discretion. Reservation status maintenance. This section controls how the reservation system processes requests. When the reservation status is enabled, the background processor runs every 10 minutes to promote pending reservations to active reservations, send email notifications to users, automatically expire old pickup deadlines. When the reservation status is disabled, all reservation queue processing pauses immediately, and no automatic actions are performed. Backup maintenance. This section allows you to create and manage database backups. To generate a backup, simply click Create Backup. The new backup file will be added to the list of database backups. From here, you can download or delete the backup file as needed. This ensures your data is safely stored and can be restored when necessary. Admin maintenance. In this section, you can add, edit, or delete admin accounts. You can also assign roles to each admin. Depending on what functions they need access to. Roles and privileges maintenance. Here, you can customize what each role is allowed to do. To modify a role, click Edit and check or uncheck the permissions as needed. You can also create a new role and assign specific permissions to it during setup. And that wraps up the maintenance section. With these tools, managing users, books, categories, privileges, penalties, transactions, backups, and roles becomes quick and efficient. Thank you for watching.